Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Bathamai jong ka Tata Motors, Halat ko ni Shillong, ringkat ba ka Net Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobyeng Jongpi.
Menteri Keri Japan Ubadairu Deputy Chief of Mission Kawazu Kunihiko ha kalasngi ublai jong kalai pauteri ubana jemang arajar arpuar ulai kendo yo sembut Menteri Ramba jong kajelna uba Preston Tensong uba pait ru ya katanat PWD roads na kabenta banyan theria tai sani ha ka bayadai bat ka jingshna ya ka Shillong Dauki bat ka surok ba National Highway 127 bracket B bala IT ha ka Jika Company ka bakot hadu 8,000 kilor tingkar haka jingya kenan bat kilat patai khubor ba Preston uliyatho ba hagani ka jingya kendo ya Kawazu ka don ka jingya theria tai ka basani bha haka bayadai bat ka jingshna ya ka surok National Highway 127 bracket B kaban penyesok ya ka surok nadu Shillong Nongstoin Tura na Brahmaputra shushu uliyatho ba ka thong ka bahakmat ba ka sarkar ka labo kalong manyakren bat ka sarkar Japan na kabenta ban shna ya ka surok Shillong maungap mau phalang shadu mau senram hadu la ranikor ha ka bayakani ka surok la binshet ha ka National Highways and Infrastructures Development Corporation
project ka bangapi ka Jaika project ka number 1 ka Shillong Dauki road kani ka Jaika project nang ta ka baar ka project ka bahe haka root sector ka yung kanika construction of 127B National Highway kataru nila lamba jong Jaika tila pithen lang ya ka total amount tang jong kiniki project jong ka bigiyok ta artli ka po around 2,000 crores te ka kanika deka sector ha ka ba nakalian jong ka Jaika kala agree ban fund te ya kanika Shillong tamabil ka pilayo I kijing try kelas dam dia minta ke baar ke bagi satik of sa kadai saya ka construction of National Highway 127B Hagaro Hills kaban connect lang ya kanika bagi ong ya kanika Shillong Nongstoin Tura road but kan sedang nang tina border Assam kabagi ong ka Brahmaputra river kaba shani chilian rahap kamela lang baju propol bari kan mi sya selsela kan poi sya po ka ikene ka dadeng kiri nang ta kan sami hang tu hapo jenjang area hajan jongka syajan jongka tura. These are the only two projects. Of course, we do have, in fact, we propose also one more project which we are yet to get any commitment from the government of Japan, and that is the Shillong. We call it Shillong Maungap Mauplang to Mausalam, up to the junction of Ranikor, where we would like to improve this road also, which is very important road, right from Mauplang side up to Mausanram, and then from Mausanram up to the junction of Ranikor to connect that road which is under construction right now under NHIDCL. We have already discussed, I requested the government of Japan if we can have some kind of exchange program, or professionals should also physically go and see is there any possibility that we can replicate in the state of Meghalaya. So he already assured me that even his team will come down to Shillong, where we can sit, we can discuss, and then we can emerge maybe with constructive ideas how to resolve the issue of congestion that we have here in Shillong.